Hello everyone. So this free course for Political Science International Relation option has got such an overwhelming response. In all my humility and modesty, I am really grateful and thankful to one and all. So as promised, it will be starting from 15th of August and it is going to be both a combination of live and pre-recorded classes. In live, I will be taking your doubts as well. Right, and when students are asking me about the notes, yes, there will be a little bit of notes available, but I will be explaining in one such way through some PPTs and some other content that the PPTs themselves will be added with the lectures, they will be embedded in the lectures and you will get those PPTs, and yes, they can serve the purpose of your notes as well. So thanks for your overwhelming response. There are few people who are finding it very discouraging for themselves and they have given some of the negative comments, but ignoring them. But there was one specific comment by some expert, political science expert, which my team unfortunately deleted. I never wanted them to delete it. So here's a small information for the so-called expert of political science. I don't know what's the age of that expert, but it's been good 20 years that I've been teaching, and many of the so-called famous teachers of the day, had been my students who had been initiated into the subject. Today perhaps they believe that they might know better than what their teacher knows, but then they have to understand that their basic understanding was developed by me back in the time. So here it is, when the person asked me that if I even know the basic nuances of the subject, so distributive justice and Plato. So here is a small reply to that so-called expert, that you need to know that the subject has a wide panorama and your shallow knowledge may not benefit the students, rather it will harm them when they need to write exceptionally different and fetch exceptionally good marks. So here the idea is, so let's try understand that what made me tell you guys that yes, there is an element of distributive justice in the writings, in the ideas of Plato, and how it changed over the time. So here it is, some idea given by Anna Greco. Although Plato did not explicitly propose any principle of distributive justice, नहीं लिखा उन्होंने साफ साफ, but then we have to interpret. There are something called implicit and then there are something called explicit. So I hope students of political science option, including the experts, need to understand both implicit and explicit. So although Plato did not explicitly propose any principle of distributive justice, he indicated that justice involves both the doing and the having of one's own. On the interpretation I am proposing, one, having one's own refers directly to the compensation one receives for doing one's own, and second, the principle of distribution of benefits. Must remember, distribution of benefits that is actually operative in Plato's system is that any form of compensation must be such that the worker, whether the ruler, the philosopher king, soldier, the guardian class or producers, has his needs satisfied. जो काम वो करते हैं उनके अकॉर्डिंगली उनकी नीड सेटिस्फाई होना is very important. I also highlight how Plato's account does not quite fit any contemporary conceptual framework, either utilitarian or desert based. It doesn't agree, like it doesn't match completely, but it encourages us to reflect on the moral aspect of economic interpretations of exchange, resulting from a fundamental collective choice to associate in order to satisfy individual needs, broadly understood as what human beings need to flourish in their social life. So what my job will be in this free course, free political science optional course, is to empower you, to make you understand that from where what implicit ideas you have to catch and how you have to embed into your answers. So this entire screenshot which I am sharing here is embedded with the lecture for Mr. Expert to read and understand and not to comment if it hurts perhaps their economic interest. Best of luck everyone. Course is starting from 15th of August. Best of luck. Good wishes to you today and always.